Hi, I'm Tricia Fiddler, and I am with the Haywood Park Collective. It's a gold certified KonMari consulting practice, and what I work with is the KonMari Method specifically, and helping clients to tidy up and clarify what's important in their lives by reconnecting with their belongings. So it's an organizing principle, but it really goes deeper than just organizing your kitchen. It really is more about organizing your life. One of the best reasons to ask for help from a consultant is if you need accountability. So you think of a KonMari consultant as like a personal trainer. Similarly, a KonMari consultant can help you get through the tidying journey. What's really exciting about being at Sierra, the Shea Homes development in Chula Vista, is that we have taken a kitchen and we've applied the KonMari organizing principles to a kitchen and staged it, showing how to organize your utensils, your plates, your pots, the pantry, all with KonMari principles in mind.
I mean, moving as much as it is a great experience, and it's so nice to move into a brand new home. The home that we were in prior, we'd been there for 22 years, and we brought 22 years worth of stuff with us, even though we thought we got rid of a lot. Trying to find a space for it and organize it all has been challenging, even a year into it. So we thought this might be some motivation. And I won this book today, so we're gonna read this and get all inspired.